Hi there, students. Derogatory, derogatory, an adjective. You have an adverb, derogatorily, and there's even a verb to derogate, but the verb is very formal and very unusual. Okay, so if you say something derogatory, if you make derogatory comments about something, you're expressing your disapproval. You're not being respectful. You're just saying that something is bad and you don't like it. So I'm sick of his derogatory comments about my cooking. Yeah, the critics talked derogatorily about him, or they wrote derogatorily about him. Yeah, particularly a derogatory comment, a derogatory remark about something. Yeah, the disparaging. Yeah, to say that something's no good, to criticize it, to criticize something and express that you have a very low opinion of something. I think this also is saying that the standard is very low. Yeah, maybe it's saying that the character of the person is not so good. So if you say something derogatory about someone, you're expressing your low opinion of him or of them, of that person. Yeah, it's a slight, it's a criticism. So a derogatory comment, a derogatory remark, disparaging, slighting, belittling, unfavourable, unflattering, uncomplimentary, depreciative, yeah, pejorative. Yeah, so he's always very derogatory about my videos. I wish he wasn't so derogatory about them because they're not that bad. Okay, so derogatory. Reducing the how good something is, lessening its worth, insulting it, detracting from it. Yeah. Okay, so something is derogatory. You're saying something pejorative. You're making a derogatory statement. I guess if somebody says something derogative, I think it's rather offensive. It's not very nice. They are disparaging what I'm doing. Okay, so let's look at formality. Derogatory. I think I would give this a 6.5 in formality. I think use it informally, insulting, rude, critical, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or formal writing. Derogatorily. He spoke derogatorily about me. 6.5 in formality. But notice the verb to derogate, I would give this an 8 in formality. It's not used. To derogate means to detract from something, to disparage, to belittle, to take something away from it, to remove from the excellence or authority of something. So to derogate, be very careful of it. Derogatory, you can use it quite happily. I think in something very informal I wouldn't tend to use it. Okay, so if somebody says something derogatory, they're expressing criticism or insult. He's always making derogatory remarks about my hair. Yeah, or he's always talking derogatorily about the clothes that I wear, my sartorial style. He says it is more than it is somewhat lacking. Okay, so derogatory. This is insulting, taking away from something. Criticism with a disrespectful attitude. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, derogare, meaning to effectively to derogate, to day from, and rogare, to ask from, or to rogare is to propose a law. So you're bringing it down. So to derogate, to derogatory. Yeah, I'm going to stay away from derogate. Or to derogate, to reduce the qualities of something, to take something away from it, to criticize. Derogatory, criticism. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Derogatory, derogatorily.